Hey everyone, I'm Shreya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create a golden cut crease eye look. As the name suggests, this technique defines the crease by cutting it with a contrasting eyeshadow color. So here's how you can recreate the cut crease eye makeup look easily. We'll start with the brows first. I'm using the Revolution Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown, brushing it through the hair strokes using a brow brush. And now giving it a shape using a light shade concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Yellow. For concealing the under eye area and eyelid, I'm using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Toasted Almond. For avoiding any crease lines, I'm using some loose powder. I'm using the Revolution Loose Powder in the shade Banana. Now starting the eye makeup with Nykaa IM Bold Paddle, applying it over the outer corner of the upper lash line. And now blending and smudging it with the pencil brush. Next, I'm using the Forever 52 10 color matte eyeshadow palette, using the shade Beaches as the transition shade over my upper crease area in the Wind Viper motion. Now picking the Desert Sand shade from the same palette and using it over the outer corner of my crease. Also over my transition shade and blending it. Now intensifying the outer V and the upper crease area using the Smoke Brown shade from the same palette. Now for cutting my crease, I'm taking some concealer on a flat brush. Now I'm placing some concealer on the bottom part of my lid, just near the inner corner of my eye. Applying the concealer all over my eye socket. Cutting the crease line. One thing to keep in mind is that we should not take too much of product on the brush, just take a bit by bit. Once it gets dried, applying some loose powder over it. Next I'm going to take some black truffle shade from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, applying it over the outer corner of my eyes. This will create depth and dimension to my eyes. Next I'm going to take some henna shade from the same palette to intensify my outer corner. Now I'm taking some blush shade from the same palette and I'm going to pat that wherever I placed my concealer. To intensify the color of my crease area, I'm going to take some shade 24K from the same palette. Now before applying any glitter or pigment over the crease, it is advisable to use a pigment primer. I'm using a NYX pigment primer. For giving my crease a pop, I'm using the Daily Life Forever 52 Diamond Powder in the shade Gold. Now over my lower lash line, I'm applying Sandalwood shade from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. Now using some henna shade and cocoa shade, I'm intensifying my lower lash line. To make my eye look bigger, I'm using a nude kajal over my lower lash line. Now applying a black kajal over the outer corner of my lower lash line. I'm using Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal Liner in the shade Jet Black. Intensifying the outer corner of the lower lash line with the cocoa shade and blending it. Now applying Dubai shade from the same palette over the middle and the inner corner of my lower lash line. Completing the look with the Kiko eyeliner. Tightlining the upper lash line with the kajal. Finishing up my eye look by applying some bubbly shade over my inner corner of the eyes and over my brow bones. So here is the complete look after applying mascara and lashes. I hope you find this tutorial useful in some way, since you can recreate this look while going to any party. If you really like this look, then please share your views in the comment section. Please hit like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please press the bell icon.